Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: Troubleshooting Common Issues with Python Sockets, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Python sockets provide a powerful mechanism for communication between client and server applications. However, developers often encounter issues that can impede the smooth functioning of socket-based communication. In this tutorial, we will explore some common problems and their solutions with practical code examples. 1. Importing the socket module. One common mistake is improper import of the socket module. Ensure that you correctly import the module at the beginning of your script. 2. Binding the server. When creating a server, make sure to bind it to the correct address and port. Incorrect binding can lead to connection issues. Here's an example of proper binding. 3. Handling socket timeout. Timeouts are crucial for preventing the application from hanging indefinitely. Set an appropriate timeout for your sockets, especially for the server's accept method. 4. Firewall and antivirus software. Firewalls and antivirus software may block network communication. Ensure that your Python script is allowed through the firewall and is not being blocked. 5. Handling connection errors. Wrap socket operations in try-except blocks to handle connection errors gracefully. This prevents the script from crashing and allows for proper error logging. 6. Properly closing sockets. Always close sockets when done using them to release resources. Use a try finally block to ensure that the socket is closed even if an exception occurs. 7. Properly encoding and decoding data. Ensure that you encode and decode data consistently, using the same encoding on both the client and server sides. 8. Handling large data. If you're sending or receiving large amounts of data, consider breaking it into smaller chunks to prevent issues related to buffer sizes. Conclusion. Troubleshooting Python socket issues is essential for robust network communication. By addressing common problems and following best practices, you can create more reliable client-server applications. Always test thoroughly and be attentive to potential error scenarios in your networked applications. ChatGPT.